Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about 4 secrets to overcome stage fright as a musician. Stay with me. Now if you're new to this channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the like button and share this video to have more content like this. Alright, let's start. Number 1, how to overcome stage fright. Control your breathing and control your body slowly. Deep breath help to calm your nerves instantly. Now you're going to try practically by taking a deep breath in for 4 seconds and out for 6 seconds. Try. You see, so it works. It helps to calm your nerves instantly. Number 2, which is very important too, focus on the music, not the crowd. Do you get that? Focus on the music, not the crowd. Stop thinking about what people will say. Stop thinking about who is watching. Focus on what you are expressing. Remember, music is not competition, but it's communication. Number 3, which is very important that you don't need to skip in this video. Prepare until confidence replaces fear. Alright? Stage fright feed on doubt. Do you hear that? Stage fright feed on doubt. So before you can overcome stage fright, you need to rehearse so well that your fingers and your voice move on autopilot. Do you understand? Number 4, the last but not the least, start with friendly faces on stage. Look at your audience, pick 1 or 2 friendly faces and play for them and play with them. This will help you to relax your mind towards performing. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. And thank you and stay safe.